Welcome to the EMMO Zone II assembly video. This video will guide you through the step-by-step unboxing and assembly process. Before starting the assembly, prepare the following tools. Before you begin, check the bike's model and color. Record the serial number and take a photo. First, remove the top and all four sides of the cardboard. You'll see the bike's protective iron frame. Remove the two middle vertical round tubes. Use two 10mm wrenches to unscrew the bolts of the protective iron frame. Then, remove the top four bolts. Next, use flat nose pliers to cut the stainless steel cable ties. After that, take off the top iron frame. Ask a friend to hold the bike while you lower the kickstand. Then, remove the remaining four vertical iron frames. Unpack carefully and follow the warnings to avoid any damage. After removing all packaging, you'll find all the necessary parts inside. Let's start with the handlebar installation. Loosen the bolts on the upper triple clamp using a 6mm hex key. Position the handlebar onto the mounting posts on the upper triple clamp, ensuring the handlebar and posts align and fit snugly together, and that the brake lever faces forward. Then, tighten the clamp bolts with the same 6mm hex key to secure the handlebar firmly. Repeat the same procedure for the handlebar on the other side. Next, install the windshield. First, install the four rubber well nuts onto the windshield. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the two screws on the front cowl, and keep it. Gently pull the front cowl outward just enough to fit the windshield. Insert both sides of the windshield from top to bottom, secure one side first, then the other. After installation, the four nut holes on the windshield should align with the screw holes on the front cowl. Then, fasten the screws together using a 4mm hex key. Finally, reinstall the two screws you removed from the front cowl. Then, move on to the rear view mirrors. First, press the rubber grommet onto the base of the rear view mirror, then insert the washer and screw through the mirror base. Repeat the same procedure for the other side. Install the rear view mirror into the designated slot on the front cowl. Use a 5mm hex key to secure it to the bike. After adjusting the mirror arm and the mirror angle, tighten the mirror arm using the 5mm hex key. Repeat the same procedure for the rear view mirror on the other side. After that, proceed with the pedal installation. Cut the zip ties on both the rider and passenger foot pegs. Install the pedals. Identify the left and right crank arms by the markings. They should face opposite directions, for example, right arm down, left arm up. Install the crank arms using a 12mm socket and spinner handle. Attach each pedal to its corresponding crank arm. Tighten the right pedal clockwise, then secure it with a 15mm wrench. Install the left crank arm using the 12mm socket and spinner handle. Tighten the left pedal counterclockwise, then secure it with a 15mm wrench. Final check. Tighten all screws securely according to the torque value specified in the user's manual. Use the key to open the passenger seat and turn on the power. Then, close the seat and remove all packaging from it. Cut off the wire ties securing the wheels. Ask a friend to help you roll the bike off the bottom iron frame. Pump both tires to the recommended tire pressure is marked on the tire sidewall. Install the license plate if required.